Good morning, people. I wake up this morning, never taped nothing.
Well, tell them why you didn't record anything for yourself.
I wake up this morning, never record nothing this morning because I was getting ready to come on this trip to go and look at this house for my daughter co-worker, because she's moving from England to California. And
but you did tape something this morning, but not for yourself.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, you're right. I taped my wife unboxing her pot set that she just received from Amazon, which is a better pot for cooking so you don't poison your system, something like that.
So did you have interaction with your dog again this morning?
Yeah, from the time I get up this morning, it was a fight. She want to go outside. Okay, I put her outside. The minute I put her outside, they knock on the door. I want to come back inside. So I sit in the chair, pick the guitar up. I was going to try to play a song. You come and knock my hand. You don't want me to play. Just get up.
Well, why doesn't she want you to play? She doesn't like to hear it, or she wants you to touch her?
She wants me to touch her. She wants me to spend time with her.
Okay.
You know, I spend time with that dog more than I spend with my wife.
I know. I've been noticing.
You see, but you know what? She asks for attention.
I don't ask for attention?
She don't look, but she don't cut her style like. No,
wait.
Let me see.
She demands attention.
She demands attention. Not like some people. Oh well, I want attention, but you know what? I'm not gonna show.
I'm gonna play hard to get.
Yeah. That dog is not like that.
Why are you always trashing me in your videos? I mean, it's not a lie, but why are you always trashing me?
Yeah, people, but so, you know, we're going down there right now and we're going to check the house out and see how it looks like.
Well,
from the picture, it looks good, so we'll see when we get down there.
Okay, so tell them about the pot set.
You know, the pot set looks pretty good. It's like a cream color. That's what it's like, a cream color, and I thought it was gonna be heavy, but it's pretty light. Because what do you call it? What?
It's made with ceramic, I think. I don't know if it's just coated with ceramic, right? I don't know what the pot is made from, but the inside has ceramic and the outside has ceramic, and the bottom has that thing for induction.
Oh, okay.
But it's only 7 pieces. I need about 3 more pieces to add to it, but those can add over time.
You need like a, what, 8 quart?
8 to 10 quarts, so you can make a lot of rice and beans for parties.
Oh, those days are gone.
And then I need a like a 3 or not a 3 quart. I need a 4 quart.
Okay.
Because you know the other pot that we have that we like to make the Mexican rice in.
Right.
That's a 4 quart.
Okay.
The other one from the Costco set. I need a 4 quart, and I need an egg skillet.
Okay.
And that's it.
So
3 more.
You need to invest another one. $50?
I'm gonna check out Amazon, because how much you want to bet those individual pots will sell for more than this whole set?
Oh yeah, always. Well, people are gonna see you guys when I get down there.
Well, we can't look. You can't come in here.
Yeah, you can I can't come in here, but I go turn around.
We can't put gas in at Costco because they destroyed the gas station to rebuild it, and the other Costco was so jammed that we couldn't put gas over there the other day.
They got the block out from me. Just go. I'm stupid. I should have went straight and come back down.
Went straight where?
Down like that. Turn around. Instead of make. Well, maybe I could make a left. Oh, I could make a left here, right?
Make a left where?
Right here. I can make.
You can't make a left into the gas station.
This one I'm saying, the lady. I can make a U-turn here.
Oh, but you said left.
Well, you still gotta make a U-turn. You still gotta go left.
Don't be a smart A-word. You are very specific. See the sign over there say you could make left or U-turn? No.
Yeah.
It's not from this lane. It's from the other lane.
Yes, but they got it blocked out.
Okay, all right. I hope the popo don't see you.
Because they're working on it. Okay.
I hope the popo don't see you.
All right. If they never want you to make a U-turn, we're gonna put a sign right there and say, "No U-turn."
Okay.
At this U-turn spot.
Okay, sir. I'm not the one. Well, let me shut up. Because if we get a ticket, I'm the one that has to pay too. It's gonna come out of both our money.
You see, if I get a ticket, you can get that $200-300.
What $200-300?
For a ticket.
That's what Jada ticket came to, $252.
I know.
No, it's $280 because she's gonna do traffic school. Because she's going to do traffic school, so it's 2:80.
I know.
Oh, no, he didn't know. He was gone.
I know.
He was gone.
He gone.
He gone.
Okay, guys, I'm going to put some gas in here right now and hit the road.
And then you'll see them tomorrow with another.
I'll see you guys tomorrow with another episode.
Morning conversations.
I'll see you guys tomorrow with another episode
of morning conversations. That's what we call in this series right now.
Morning conversation.
No, I want to see the background.
Oh, okay.
That's me, the background.
Oh, your background. Oh, I thought you want to see. I thought you want to see a cute self.
Okay.